harder a bit lah, so high. Fucking dog stuck. I need so high.
Oh shit!
Fuck, I thought my door rosak. Don't scare me like that. I was like, what the fuck is happening?
Damn, bro! Congrats on your new car!
Hey, thank you.
Damn, bro! Boom. Look.
Lanjak driving.
Oh, not you. Not the driver. I mean the camera. Camera, look. Traffic! Woo. For your info, right now, we are going to watch one of our beloved besto friendo, Isaac. I won't say his full name because legal. Elite. I want you.
Amateur tournament lah.
Yeah, he has a tournament right now. It's 8:30. In 30 minutes, shit stuck. Yeah, you feel me? She feel like fairy tale.
This is not my fairy tale, bro. This is my fucking dog. I hate jams, bro.
Oh, she texted me. She's here. Oh my god. Yo, gang. Hey, if any girls watching here, I am taken, but I am available.
What?
Wait, I'm not available.
Oh my god, we stuck here, bro.
I'm not available. I'm not taken. Wait, I'm not taken. I'm single. Correct.
Seem to understand.
What the boa? Look. No, you
What the boa?
Should I just clip this to my head?
Fucking GoPro ass point of view.
Bro, can do. Late night vibe with the heart rate. Hey gang. Wait, pause.
Hello, mommy. I'm here.
What? Oh, you mean for A?
My mom. What the fuck you mean?
What do you mean, your mom? You mean for A?
You see, my mom thought I studied in Thai UMT, but then actually I study here lah. UCSI.
The sign up there.
There.
Anyway, here to support one of our friend, Isaac, from Young. You get what I'm saying?
Wait.
You get what I'm saying?
I don't know, but damn, they bring dancing there, bro. Holy shit.
Should you just join? Bro, you are fucked.
There lah, but
Oh,
he correct lah. I see.
memang lah.
Please don't break my car.
We got it on film. What the
Fucking hospital.
Sociology and pharmacy lah.
They record the shit.
Okay, gang. What's the problem? What's the deal?
What's the deal? I also don't know. I read. Then we call one of our friend, and then she said it's at level 5. And then we go to the lift until level 4 only. And then I faster ask him to go out. This bastard. No, show your face, bro. And then after I go out, the door closed. We should have taken the stairs after 4th floor. No, what the fuck?
No, okay. The thing is, since the lifts only goes up to 4 floors, you need to say that the 5th floor, you will obviously have to take the stairs.
Okay, we go up the stairs properly.
Jeez.
Let's go, kids.
You get what I mean? What, is it the rooftop?
Let me show you some shit, bro. This shit looks sketchy as fuck, bro. Fuck is this?
What the fuck?
Bro. I don't think we can go in from here, lah.
Oh, you don't think so?
Level 5. I don't think upstairs got anything anymore.
Upstairs the roof. Wait, let's actually go ask the break dancers. We low-key can chill here. Oh, content.
Content,
one
you
ah.
should bring Hang in, bro.
One ah. 1.
Look at the fucking link, bro. Oh shit.
See? What are you doing?
I'm a student here, bro. What is this one?
Okay.
Isn't there where we just went just now? 4th floor?
4th is here. Okay, so
Here, one.
ground 1, 2, 3, 4.
How the fuck to go 5th floor?
Stairs. Come on.
Okay. Alright, bye.
What's the deal? Block G.
Block G, yeah.
Oh, it's locked.
Pull harder, bitch. No fucking way, bro. How come my dad put child lock on that door, bro? Child lock from the inside, right?
I don't know.
The fuck?
Put the shit on top. Where's your key?
My key inside here. Eh, macam-macam hal lah.
We found the block. Finally, it's this one. This big ass shit. Hopefully the lift is working. Anyway, I'm gonna do my own thing. We were walking around block A. I legit thought this college had only one block, which had 4 floors. One of them was a receptionist. The other 2 was like gyms. So I thought they didn't even study, but they do. We're going to the gymnasium. The next shit we'll see is Isaac scoring. Hey, where's Isaac? Oh, no, Isaac! Oh shit! Whoa! Easy, I wanted him to miss so bad, bro. Wait.
Very tight, the score. I slapped the fuck out of you, like, betul lah, babi.
Wait, you see their system, bro? Holy shit!
Live for you,
Oh my god. Let's go, Isaac. Which one, Isaac? Let's go, Isaac. Hey.
You will be sitting on the bench, bro. You back on the bench.
Where? Oh.
Set up. What the fuck was that?
Where my boy? Where my boy? Where my boy? This one. Where my finger? This one. Go. Hey, sorry team. We couldn't get the job done. But at the end of the day, hey, we had experience. You know. You see us. You see. I didn't see a win today, so all good. The road, the map, my soul. Tell me if that's no fair on my face. Tell me how to do a little fucking picture on the front.
Why does it look so high though? For 12th floor?
Cause the flooring is high. Alright.
没有，这本不能看。
I see. Come and rest your bones with me. Driving slow on Sunday morning. I never want to leave.
What the boy?